Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a way to protect your online privacy while still enjoying fast browsing speeds, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a Siphon server and set it up on the ZPN app for a secure internet experience. Make sure to follow along with each step, and as always, check out my blog for more detailed tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest VPN and tech tips. Let's dive in. First, open any web browser and type UDP and slow DNS files into the search bar. Hit enter. You'll see a list of search results. Look for the official UDP custom website. This is where we will create our Siphon server. Click the link to head over to the homepage. Once you're on the UDP custom homepage, look to the top right corner of the website for the menu button. Click on it, and a list of options will appear. From the menu, select Siphon Server, which will redirect you to the Siphon Server creation page. Now that you're on the Siphon Server page, you'll see various server options available in different locations. Choose your desired location for the server. After selecting a location, click on Create Siphon to generate your Siphon Server key. In just a few seconds, your Siphon Server key will be ready. Be sure to copy the server key carefully because we'll need it later when setting up the ZPN app. Next, let's head over to the Google Play Store and search for ZPN. Hit Install and wait for a few minutes for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, launch the app and you'll land on the ZPN home screen, ready to set up your secure connection. On the home screen of the ZPN app, you'll notice different protocol options. To activate Siphon, check the Siphon box. This tells the ZPN app to use the Siphon protocol for our secure connection. Now, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings. From here, locate and click on Siphon to configure its settings. In the designated box, enter the Siphon server key that we generated earlier. You can also choose your preferred server location from the provided list for optimal performance. Once you've entered all the necessary details, return to the home screen, tap the Connect button. Congratulations, you're now connected to a secure Siphon VPN through ZPN. You can now enjoy fast and private browsing with ease. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've successfully set up a Siphon server on the ZPN app for secure and fast browsing. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials and VPN tips. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.